What's on? What's up? What's happening? Welcome to another TR7 tutorial. Today we're learning a nice little ledge trick. It's one that we kind of forgot to do because we've done a few others like it, but this one is the front tail. Let's do it. Ooh, see that fresh one tail slide mark right there? So frontside tail slide. Coming in front side, front facing the ledge, ollieing up, turning front side, landing on the tail, sliding that tail, coming off the ledge, frontside tail slide. That's what it is. So for your approach, I guess it's like brunch but with a punch. For your approach for this front tail, just like with most of our ledge and rail tricks, you're not going to want to come in dead straight parallel with the ledge. You're going to want a little bit of sergeant angle, alright? Now this angle is going to help you get that momentum, get your body up on top of the ledge without having to shifty yourself too much. And it's just going to help you stand right off on top of there, because for this front tail you want to be locked in right on top so that you can stand there, slide the hell out of it and then pop off. For your foot position, obviously you're going to want to be doing a nice ollie to get into this front tail, so you want your feet in a good ollie position ready to go. But you're also going to be slightly front side in. So if that means for you that you need to bring your front foot slightly over this way so that it will slide towards you, or maybe the back foot needs to go a bit more to the back. Obviously foot position is about personal preference, so try a few, see what works. But main thing is that you're going to need a good ollie and a bit of front side to get that tail slide going. So you're coming in with this nice bit of angle, you've got your feet ready to pop a nice frontside ollie onto the tail. Now what you're looking for is to get just enough height so that you can slip that tail on, because this is going to help you get that nice slide that you want. And you're going to have to get stood up on top of the ledge obviously. At first it's nice and easy at least to get into this tail slide, but it might be quite hard to properly slide it. You might find that you slip out a little bit, or that you're just not getting into it enough. And what you want to try and do is really get the whole of your body weight up on top of that ledge, so that you're literally stood up here like this, standing on that tail. Now this means that you're going to have to put a lot more weight into that back foot, because as it slams into the ledge, you're going to want all that weight over this back foot, standing up tall on this one, because that's how you're going to pop out of the trick as well. But also it means you're going to be able to stand there and slide, which is what we want, a nice long tail slide. To get this front side in, what I like to do is bring my arm in like this so that I can throw it out, and this is going to help me get my front side, get it up at a nice height so I can slap it in. And you're going to be up here like this, but if you want to come back out to normal from here, you're going to have to change these shoulders to background like this so that you're ready to pop out to normal, because if your shoulders are facing this way, it's going to be a lot easier for your legs to just follow and come out the way that you want to. Now if you wanted to come out to fakie, you'd just keep those shoulders turning from where you were, and that would send you out to fakie, because once again, wherever your shoulder's going, those legs will want to follow. They're just the little followers of whatever your body wants to do. And that's the two ways of getting out of the tail slide. If you're trying to learn it and you find yourself sticking on the ledge because it's just not really going, there's a couple of things that could be happening. One, you're not turning enough to get onto the ledge. Basically, if you're not a complete 90 degrees or more, it's not going to slide real easy, because this wheel is going to make a lot of contact with the coping, and it's just going to stop you from moving at all. The other thing is that you could be going too slow, or you need some wax. A little bit of wax, and make that slide real good. Real good. One of the best things about this ledge trick is because you're going to be standing right on top and slamming that tail down, you can actually learn to do it at first going quite slowly. Learn to get yourself onto the ledge and stand up on there, and then once you start to get that really good, you can start to put in a bit more speed and try and really slide it. But at first it's nice and easy to just roll along at a slow speed and try and get that pop into the tail slide and see if you can hold it for longer than I did. So that's front tails, everybody. I hope this tutorial helped you to learn them. If it did, whack us a comment in the comment section below. If you think you got a better way of doing it, whack that in the comments as well. We love to hear a bit of feedback. Don't forget to always click subscribe and hit the little bell, and you'll always be the first to see our new videos. You'll be able to learn our tricks straight away. Right, back to work for me, I think.